Yeah, well, going everyone, Bunny here, and welcome back to BLA Productions, where today we'll be doing a bunch of live reaction videos. But anyway, before I get into it, Wagwan, honestly, I have to ask Wagwan because this whole pandemic, this whole curfew situation, trust me, it is affecting everybody, like small, young, big. So, so yo, trust me, it wild. Honestly, I can't lie about that. But I know that most of us are home for the most part these days now, so I just thought like, why not mix it up? I know you've been watching like hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of the plays on the channel here, but I thought I'd twist it up, kind of throw a mix in it, kind of highlight some other YouTubers and do some live reactions. So for today's video, we'll be reacting to a bunch of like LongBeachGriffy's videos. I recently, well, relatively recently discovered his videos. Very successful YouTuber, and I find his videos funny, so I think let's get right into it. So yeah, so we're starting with this one, which I've already watched, but hey, it's Fast and the Furious. A lot of us here in Jamaica like Fast and the Furious, so let's go.
Another Fast and the Furious, guys. We need more. What do we have? I got it. Dom is driving in New York. Then he drives up the side of the Empire State Building onto a plane. He gets into the plane. Then he lands the plane on a bicycle.
What?
How about the team has to break into the Area 51 facility on Mars. And they get to Mars with a teleporting Mustang. Mustang that can teleport. Hear me out. I like that. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is actually a car himself.
What makes all of this ridiculous is because Fast and Furious movies have been like, they've been ramping things up in terms of how ridiculous they've been over the years. Like it's so this is like a perfect exaggeration, or basically a perfect comedy skit of that fact. So you can't blame the man for this, honestly.
And he drives himself. How about Dom is driving 3 cars all at the same time, blindfolded, without a body, just his head is driving all of the cars. That's impossible. It's Fast and the Furious. Nothing is impossible in this movie. We brought Han back. I think we should bring back Paul Walker. That's perfect. Yeah, then Paul Walker and Vin Diesel can race.
Why?
On rocket ships around the world. Write it down. Are you getting it? Write that down. Write it down.
This is ridiculous. Yo, shut up. Alright, so I'll definitely be leaving the link to LongBeachGriffy's channel in the description below. So I know most of us have been going through the whole pyramid scheme thing here in Jamaica, and it's ridiculous. Anytime somebody approaches you with it, like, I know, but let's see what LongBeachGriffy has to say about that. Alright, so attending a pyramid scheme seminar.
I am a millionaire. Oh my God. Yes. A millionaire. But I didn't come to talk about how I'm a millionaire, even though I am a millionaire. I have a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, a G-Wagon, 6 Teslas, but who cares about all the extremely nice, luxurious cars that I drove here today in My houses are gigantic. I have a house in every single country. But that's not the point. The point is, you can have what I have if you believe that you can. I believe I can. You can get rich in 4 easy steps. Step 1, drop out of college. Fuck college. You don't get rich by going to college. You get rich by getting rich. That makes so much sense. Step 2, you can do it. How was that a step? Step 3.
Nice.
Step 4, he didn't even say anything. Buy my program, Eat, Sleep, Rich, for $7,000. Yes, become your true self. I have it. Financial freedom, success, opportunity.
Yeah, this kind of accurate still though. That like
Ferraris, Tesla, rich, rich, rich.
jeez, please. Alright, so this one is a crucial one, especially in this day and age when a Chinese person sneezes. Jeez, please. Alright, so you go.
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro, I'm not fucking around, man. I'm sorry, dude. You got me fucked up. Dude, relax. It's just my allergies. Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies.
What?
You got that Chinese Ebola thing. The coronavirus? No, dude, I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean. Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese, all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake.
Dog, this is so racist, dog.
Is it though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get. Where else are those families supposed to go? Antarctica. Or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida. Look, man, sneeze again. Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Don't play with me. Play with me. I can't even get a happy ending at a massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
Dang, LongBeachGriffy kills me. Alright, so last video for today, people. Working in the black market.
Boss, I got another one for us. Okay, let's see her. What the fuck is this? What? Look at her! This bitch is ugly! She not that bad. This bitch is below average at best. My buyers won't accept this. We can't sell shit like this. No. We don't sell shit like this. We need bad Tesla bitches. Okay? Not 93 Honda Civic bitches.
Bombards.
I need bad bitches. Fuego mamacitas. Dimes. Bitch. Not Taco Bell coupons. Taco Bell coupons.
No, dog. No. Stop.
And not a good one either. She won free taco with the purchase of 2 gordita crunches. Nobody eat that shit, bro. I like them. I need Fenty lip gloss bitches, okay? Not Forever 21 Hot Cheeto lipstick bitches. Get her out of here, please.
I rope.
Stole her from me? Hell no, man. She already seen our faces. Put a bullet in her skull and dump her with the rest of the dead ugly bitches. Not the dead bad bitches.
Anyway, that's all I have for today, people. Bunny here. Let me know what you think, or let me know what you thought about this reaction video here. Of course, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. There's plenty of content on the channel here for you guys to watch over the course of the quarantine. But then again, most of them probably binge watch and just clear off everything from the channel at one time. Hopefully not, but hey. But anyway, hope you guys stay safe. Do what you have to do. Listen to, you know, the most honorable bro god. And I'll see you guys in the next one.